pho. Streets of Vietnam. And this is literally a lot better. Alright guys, me and mother are waiting right now. We left the house at literally 6 p.m. and our flight is at 10:20 and we finished all the check-in stuff an hour ago. It's like 10:03 right now. We have 20 more minutes until our flight. My dad's also here. Are you excited?
Yes.
So we're gonna stop by Korea first before we go to Vietnam, the motherland. Okay, we are now on the plane and we are ready to board. Oh my gosh, it's our first time flying to Vietnam in like 6 years? 6? No, 8. Music, games, travel, shopping, movies, Korean drama. They have a lot of Night Flower, Queen of Divorce. They have Riverdale No Shot, bruh. Oh my gosh, they have Young Sheldon. I love Young Sheldon. Oh my god, so cute. This woman wants to sleep on me. In the meantime, I will be editing my YouTube video because I edit on my phone. They have the Barbie movie? No way they have the Barbie movie. I'm gonna be watching that. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. They have the Harry Potter movies. Oh man, Dune. I heard Dune is good because Zendaya's in it. I already watched Captain Marvel. Musics. Well, we have Giveon, her, and Yumi. He's gonna be bathing. We just got our food. My dad got Korean food. This is the food. I don't know what that is. My mom got something different. This will be for me because she doesn't eat raw fish. This is what I got. The same thing as my dad. My mom got rice. We have 11 minutes until we arrive. We're in Korea right now. We have to wait 3 hours until we board our next flight.
Hello. Hello.
Guys, look at where we are. This is like so cute. We have made it to the hotel. I'm not used to that. We made it to the hotel room, so we're gonna do a little room tour. The bed. I have no windows in here. I have a little mirror with water, a mini fridge, nothing else really. A little closet. Okay, here's the restroom. It's not bad. Here's the food. My cousin came back with boba. It's so hot already, oh my gosh. It's dark already? Wait, where's he going? Wait, where's this guy going? Bro looks so happy right now. Look at them.
Welcome to Vietnam.
Mom, cái này cái gì?
Samuche.
Your turn.
Nó đã, mình đang nóng á, mình uống vô cái người nó vô nó mát, nó đã.
Này gì?
Mãng cầu.
Alright guys, it is day 2. I am here and we're eating breakfast. This is pho. The prices, it was like $2 here. It's like 50 cents, bro. Review cái nước mía đi.
À, nước mía này là của con gái tôi mua. Tan hết tá rồi, nó cho tôi uống mà tôi không thấy cái gì hết.
Pokemon. Oh, what? They have like new flavors, bro. They got Brazilian barbecue. It's like 50 cents for one bag. There's so many. I got this one and this one. Guys, look at this. They have blueberry yogurt. It's chocolate almond. What? They have little boats and it carries like fruit. You can get a whole meal for less than $1 here. Alright gang, this is the food.
You can say that we are nothing, but you know the truth.
I have authentic Vietnamese banh mi sandwich. I'm so whitewashed because I don't like this stuff. This is what it looks like on the inside. Though I will be taking out some of the stuff because I'm so whitewashed and I cannot eat it. We are currently in the streets of Vietnam right now, sitting in a little chair.
The fool with their arms on.
So entrance fee is like $6, something like that. And now my dad's buying extra tickets.
You only wanna be the one that I call baby.
Okay, we came back from shopping. It's a little haul time. The first thing I got was this dress. Look at the pattern. It's like a one-size-fits-all type of thing. This was around like $17. It's a little big, but it's fine. I'm visiting family, and this is literally how the walk to home be. I found the... Hey.
Đúng đường rồi.
Look at this.
Ôi mày giá vậy mua bỏ vô vali không?
We're now going home, gang. It was literally just raining, and now it's not. We made it to dinner. This is the food, gang.
Rồi, cho cái tay ra. Anh nấu sao ngon quá, nó quất cái 2 tô. Nấu bớt ngon đi chứ để nó quất cái 2 tô.
Okay, guys, I have my helmet on, everything, and my cousin is taking me to downtown Saigon. They have English. We're at dinner again.
Bánh canh nè, anh ăn bánh canh nào?
This is the... Ba giới thiệu cho người ta cái này cái gì đi?
Cái này là nem nướng. Mình ăn nha, cái này là không cuốn rau với cái này.
So I dipped it in fish sauce. Very good. A roll. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna try anyways. Corner in, other corner in, roll it up. It doesn't look the greatest, but it works. Close off the ends a little bit. They don't have paper and napkins here. They have these. They're like wet wipes. My dad wrapped this one. It's a lot better than what I did.
Mình đang ở đây gọi là hồ con rùa.
So now we're having ice cream.
Em gọi là kem trái dừa.
This is the view. The restaurant. We're just outside. We're in a very like foresty area. This is it. It's literally in a coconut. It's an ice cream.
Mà bạn thấy ăn cái kem này nó ngon lắm á, bà cho nó là 9 ra 10 luôn á.
Thì sao không có 10 ra 10 sao chính?
Tại vì nó ít quá.
I rate it like a 7 out of 10 because first of all, the ice cream isn't made out of like dairy product, I guess, like milk. It's not made out of milk. Compared to like American, it's like it's but it's a little too sweet for my taste.
Say bye. Bye.